Okay, well, first we have to find out what size of foot they are. And then they will cut out their pieces. We make their own pattern. So this is the sole piece right here. So this goes upside down. That's how there's a left and a right. And then this is the toe plug. This is sewed in, the toe. And then their foot is measured. And the back pad comes up reinforced like this, and then the heel pad goes over the top to make for extra strength, and then the sole is sewed on the bottom for extra strength. And then we take a last, these are called shoe lasts, put it in here, and you can see where the toe is puckered around, stitching here, and then you tap that all to make it nice and uniform with a rubber mallet or a wooden mallet. And when it's the lace put in and tied around their ankle, and that's pretty much it. Then they can wear them out of here. It's a big job. Yeah, it's a lot more sewing than people think. Well, we are using deer. You can use moose or elk, but we have an abundance of deer, and they're all local deer here from the Ottawa Valley that we have tanned. Yeah, drop off, and we could do taxidermy here, so I get access to a lot of hides, and we accept the people that are going to throw them out anyway. So, and then there's a lot of work. We got to salt them and prep them all, and you know. Well, we're not buying deer hides, so we're using our own. So it's a lot of work. Yes, very soft. This here is actually a moose, a local moose here. Very nice piece. A lot of the times we use moose on the soles. This is a line of belt knives I make. The sheath is as much work as the knife. And these are good little skinning knives and very good steel. This is a deer's foot, and this is a leather guard I made. And these are great little skinning knives, very comfortable in your hand. These are a big hit, people like these. And then I make a lot of throwing knives. This is a different primitive neck knife. These you hang around your neck, this type. These are little pipe bags, and Jody and I has made all the leather work and pretty much everything in here. There's a line of tomahawks we do, throwing hawks and so on, because there's a big seller throwing tomahawks, and they're all hand forged, all made by hand. And now we're getting into the drums. We make a lot of drums and knife sheaths. And Viking tools, as you can see in the back here. Some broad axes and a lot of belt axes. This is the Rustler Bowie spinner, one I designed about 2 months ago. Spinner. Also thrower. These are some other big Bowies that I made, and this is a deer leg bone and a very comfortable handle. This is the same style of Bowie, and this is an elk jaw, an elk's jawbone, bottom jawbone. This is a resin Bowie I made a while back, and this is antique ivory micarta, not real ivory, but made to look like real ivory. And the mosaic pin I made, all from scratch. And this is a resins Bowie, and it's called a resin Bowie because resin was Jim Bowie's brother.